what is the major product A in the following reaction? The given compound is an alkyl halide treated with 1 mole of magnesium followed by formaldehyde. They are asking what is the product A obtained in the following reaction. So, among alkyl halides, if you take alkyl iodide, bromide and chloride. Alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide, more reactive than alkyl chloride to form a Grignard's reagent. So here we have 1 mole of one side bromine and one side chlorine, but there is only 1 mole of magnesium. So here what happens? Only bromine reacts. That is the first point we have to learn. So we have chloride here and bromide here, but there is only 1 mole of magnesium, means only bromide reacts but not chloride. Then what is the intermediate form, this reactant formed here? It is nothing but Grignard's reagent. Now this Grignard's reagent reacts with formaldehyde to form a product A. They are asking us what is the product obtained when the Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis. Now let us learn one shortcut here. Grignard's reagent when treated with formaldehyde. We learned the mechanism in PU. Now for competitive we have to learn the shortcuts. What is the shortcut? What is the concept we learned in PU? When Grignard's reagent reacts with formaldehyde, we'll get primary alcohols. The shortcut here is remove MgX of Grignard's reagent and put CH2OH. So what is the product obtained? RCH2OH. This is the shortcut. Again I am telling, when Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde, remove MgX of Grignard's reagent and put CH2OH. Now what is the reaction here? This is the compound. On one side there is Br and on one side there is Cl. This is treated with magnesium and ether, and which is only 1 mole. So what will I get? This chloride will not get affected and this side you will get MgBr. This is Grignard's reagent. This Grignard's reagent is now treated with formaldehyde. What shortcut I taught you? Remove MgBr of Grignard's reagent and put CH2OH. So that is the product obtained. So what is the product here? Cl and CH2OH. I am not explaining the concepts because we learned the concept in PU. In competitive, we have to learn the shortcuts. So what is the shortcut here? When Grignard reagent is treated with formaldehyde, remove MgX and put CH2OH. Means you will get a primary alcohol there. Now, where is this option among the given options? It is option A. Now let us see why option B is wrong. Option B is wrong because bromide is more reactive. It should react to form Grignard's reagent. In option B, they are showing that chloride is reacting. So option B is ruled out. In option C, they are showing that both chloride and bromide are reacting. Means both chloride and bromide should form Grignard's reagent. But there is only 1 mole of magnesium. So option C is also ruled out. And option D is also ruled out because we will not get aldehyde here. So that is your answer. Your answer is